view of the truck before I drop it. Right now, it's factory height. Alright, let's get it. Got the front tire off. First thing we're gonna do is pop this tie rod off right here so we can get this sucker to swing around, get a little light on it. We gotta pop this off, 21 millimeter, and then we're gonna get up to here, but first we're gonna take the brake assembly off, 2 18 millimeters behind it for the whole bracket to come off. Then take this off, that off, and the speed sensor that's under the wheel. When I get to that, I'll kick you back on. Let's get it, guys. Now that we got this off, that's a top bow spindle. That is an 18. That's a 24. And if you got a 4x4, whatever size your axle is. So you just loosen them up until they're almost at the bottom. You don't take them off. You take them all the way off, but you hand screw them back on. So when you hammer and hit the side of that, it'll drop and the bolt won't drop on your feet. So next thing we're gonna do is pull this sway off. Let's get it. Guys, now that we got the bottom and the top off, you gotta take the sway bar down because that nut up in there stops it. It comes out 24 millimeter, inside nut 18. Up here is 21 on both sides. Got them out. Now let's start to reassemble. Let's get it. Alright. This is all together. Upper A arm, lower A arms. Grease everything up. Hit them with a hammer to spread them out. Put some grease on the bushings and the insides. Make it slide on easier. It's a job, y'all. We're gonna make it happen. Let's get these wheels on and see what we got. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. It's time for us to start on the rear. Let's do the factory everything. Got him up on jack stands, getting ready to take care of him. First we're going to start with the shocks. Then start with the rear end. I got to drop this hitch in order to get to the outside of these bolts for these springs. Also got to cut off these bump stops, loosen that. And that bolt right there to loosen up all this emergency brake lines. And I gotta do 2 of them to loosen up them 2 brake lines to give the rear end some space. So we'll start with that. Alright. Let's get it. Alright, so we got the leaf springs down on the ground, which goes up in there. Of course, you had to put it down, shift this to one side, bring the leaves around and put it under. So we got it under right now, and we about to lift the rear end up so we can put the leaf springs back in the shackles, start putting up the kit. All right, let's get it.